Yo, Onyx here. Got some packages to unbox. Let's get into it. First one's from Runitback. Second one's from a brand called Fingerboard Unboxings. Alright, let's speed run through these stickers. And here's the goods. Got some dynamic chucks, raw hangers, red base plates, first time having some raw hangers on dynamics. Can't wait to see what's up with those. And last but not least, finally got some G sheets, a V3, 0.8 millimeter. Been hearing a lot of good things about G sheets, so decided to give them a try. I really am in love with dynamic tape though. Your tape is pretty good as well. Alright, now onto the pack from Fingerboardsanonymous. Sheeted grip. Really cool packaging. So we got two 26 millimeter decks. Here's the Instagram. Here's the molds that he has available. I got the Detox. Serenity is a really nice low mold, it seems. Detox seems to be medium low. Little to no concave. Shout out to Mint for putting me on. You know, I came across their Instagram and I didn't really think anything of it, but when Mint posted that video, I decided to check him out because Mint's opinions are definitely something you should take into consideration when it comes to fingerboard products. He definitely knows his stuff. Here's the mold. And also, I ended up with two decks because bro is really super cool dude. Originally, it was supposed to be the gray one, but something happened with his router and the deck ended up turning out a bit shorter than it should have been. These decks are 96 millimeter. The gray one turned out to be 95, so he decided to throw in an extra one, which is the green one that I'll be setting up today. So shout out to bro for that. Definitely super solid guy. I was gonna put on these trucks with the red base plates, but I decided it would look way too much like a Christmas setup and I didn't really want to do that. So we're gonna be going silver. So G sheets feels really good. Feels similar to dynamic. It's a little less grippy, but I'm sure it'll wear in nicely. So I'll just have to see how it is over time. Alright, so I'm gonna put the chucks on and grip the board up, and I'll be right back with you guys. All done. Super clean grip job as usual. Got the chucks on. Gonna throw on these white blue 67s. You already know I've really been enjoying blue wheels lately. And we're going to be trying some dread tuning. V2 mediums, cones. Shout out to Dread. Here it is. Really, really clean setup. Looks so good with the orange bushings. The white blue 67s. You got the G sheets on top. Really beautiful. The video doesn't do this setup any justice whatsoever. Dread tuning, 10 out of 10. Really loving it so far. I don't know what it is, but this deck makes you feel like you can do anything, literally. This board just flips effortlessly. It really does have a good weight distribution. Highly suggest you guys check them out. You won't be disappointed. Peace.